Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Kenwood car stereo is freezing, not responding correctly, or having Bluetooth and audio issues, performing a factory reset can often help restore normal operation. Over time, saved settings, software glitches, or pairing problems can affect the performance of the Kenwood car stereo. Fortunately, resetting the unit is usually a simple process and doesn't require special tools or technical expertise. A factory reset returns the Kenwood car stereo to its original settings, allowing you to start fresh. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you successfully factory reset your Kenwood car stereo. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Kenwood car stereo and make sure the vehicle is parked safely. Step 2. Access the settings menu available on the Kenwood car stereo. Step 3. Locate the reset or initialize option on the Kenwood car stereo. Step 4. Confirm the reset process for the Kenwood car stereo. Step 5. Wait while the Kenwood car stereo restarts and restores factory settings. Step 6. Set up the Kenwood car stereo again and verify that it is functioning properly.